Hi guys, today I'm gonna be reading my awards and this. Let's take it up. As my first medal, so I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And you see, I only have 3 awards. Okay, now let's read the one right down. Classroom recognition. SY 2025 to 2026. So let's read my awards. Batang Nanunulat Award. Best in Declamation. I don't know that. DCB Award. That's all. My sister has 6. Ako tanong na. Okay, now let's read my medal. Achiever in class Camila Elementary School as classroom recognition. SY again 2025, 2026. I love this. Oh yeah, I forgot to read this and it says my name right here. Oh wait, I put it on backwards. So happy. Oh dear. I'm so happy. I'm gonna show you all my medals if I get one. I didn't get best in English or best in science. That's not fair. I'm best at English and science. Why didn't they choose me? Me. Bye.